Hello friends, welcome to Gromax Abacus. In last session we have learned how to add big numbers, that is 6, 7, 8, 9 using combination. In today's session we are going to learn how to less big numbers using combination. As I told you earlier, combination works for only big numbers, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, where big friend formula doesn't work for this number. At that time we have to use combination of big friend and small friend for lessing this number. Now see, we will understand all this by some example. Let's see some example. I had taken 4040. Now I want to less 6. First we will see whether there are direct bits available. No. Then I will use big friend formula, that is for less 6, that is less 10, add 4. This is less 10, add 4. Now again I want to less 6. I will use same big friend formula for lessing 6, that is less 10, add 4. But there is no 4 bits here for adding. So I will use small friend formula, that is add 5 less 1 for adding 4, that is add 5 less 1. Again I want to less 6. There are direct bits available here. Then I will use the first method, that is direct, for lessing 6. Again I want to less 6. There are no direct bits, so I will try big friend, that is less 10. But there are no 4 bits. Then I will use combination of small friend, that is add 5 less 1. Again less 6, that is direct. Again less 6, no direct bits. Then I will use big friend formula, that is less 10, add 4. Every time the big friend formula fails to add the friend, then we have to use small friend formula for adding the same number. Now we will see how to less 7. I had taken 45. Now less 7, that is less 10, add 3. Again I want to less 7. Here direct bits are available. Then I will use the first method, direct method, for lessing 7, that is less 7 directly. Again I want to less 7. There are no direct bits. Then I will use big friend formula, that is less 10, add 3. Again I want to less 7. There are no direct bits. Then I will use big friend formula, less 10, add 3. But there are no 3 bits. Then I will use small friend formula here, that is add 5 less 2 for lessing 3. Less 7, that is directly. Again less 7, no direct bits. Then I will use big friend formula, that is less 10, add 3. Now we will see how to less 8. I had taken 42. Now I want to less 8. There are no 8 bits directly available here for lessing. Then I will use big friend formula, that is less 10, add 2. Again I want to less 8. There are no 8 bits. So I will use big friend formula, that is less 10, add 2. But there is no 2 bits for adding. Then I will use small friend, that is add 5 less 3. Again I want to less 8, that is less 10, add 2. Again I want to less 8, that is directly. Again less 8, no direct bits. So I will use big friend, that is less 10, add 2. Now we will see less 9. I had taken 43. Now I want to less 9. First see, no direct bits. Then use big friend formula, that is less 10, add 1. Again less 9. There are no direct bits. Then try to use big friend, that is less 10, add 1. But there is no 1 bit for adding. So I will use small friend, that is add 5 less 4 for adding 1. Again less 9, that is less 10, add 1. Again less 9, that is less 10, add 1. I hope you all get clear how to less big numbers using combination formulas, where to use combination formulas. Now you have to solve from page number 78 to page number 82 in your book. Thank you.